ugly.
No.
My jaw hurts.
That doesn't mean you're ugly. Dude, we're gonna do clips of you burping. Because I got like 20 of them.
I want to see that show. Listen. What are you doing? You're filming. You're doing something weird.
I'm listening.
Then why are you looking through the peephole? You're acting like a cameraman. Listen.
You want to go see the show? Let's go see the show.
Well, when is it? Or, wait. I want to see that show. When is Kill the Lights? I want to see that.
Well, we'll have to go see it at Eastern Bloc.
Huh?
I'm saying it might be this Sunday.
Huh? Really?
Yeah?
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
It's really this Sunday, the 6th?
I said it might be this Sunday the 6th.
Where have I been?
Baby, you've been partying.
I'm confused. I feel like I'm missing out.
Missing out on what?
On life.
Like, what part of life?
Like, life and things going on.
I really don't think that that's the truth.
You think I'm, like, this is what I have to talk about.
Okay.
Like I feel like I'm behind. You know, I know that sounds weird.
No, it doesn't.
But I do.
It's all the partying.
What are you talking about, all the partying?
If you had a choice to go out or go see Kill the Lights this Sunday at 10 p.m., what would you do?
I'd go see Kill the Lights and drink at Eastern Bloc. What I'm trying to say is, do you ever feel like, have you seen Back to the Future?
Yeah.
Do you think that's possible to time travel speed?
No, not that we know of.
Yes, it is, Kevin. I think some people can do that. I think some people are ahead of us.
Yeah, but they would never tell the world. They wouldn't tell nobody shit.